Welcome back, YouTube. Dylan wears pink. So we have this FJ Cruiser here. It was in my previous video. And what affordable solutions we came up with for this customer was to patch this flange section in here. Just replace the driver's side cleanup catalytic converter that was rusted out in the body. This one was okay for now. And this right here saved this customer, I can imagine what Toyota wants for that, probably $1,500 just to replace that section alone. And we were a few $100s just to repair that and get more years out of this and saving the customer money this round. And then we also are replacing the cat back. It was rotted in the hanger, and it was rotted in another hanger. You can see the soot. It was rotted before the muffler, it was rotted after the muffler, and then the tailpipe flange was rotted off. So this part of the exhaust system, we went with a direct fit piece. We're waiting for that. And this vehicle's in great condition still. I mean, it's showing its age with some of the corrosion, but that's not horrible. This vehicle has plenty of life left in it at 200,000 miles. Thanks for watching.